To understand what makes a successful trader, you have to understand the levels of trading. So you have the average trader. This is someone who just loses money on their account. Maybe they even get a few big wins, and then over a sustained period of time, they give it all back. This is quite literally 85% of the population. Some will then become an amateur trader. This is someone that will have some wins, have some big losses, but they manage to fight their way to break even. The difference between the average and the amateur is that the amateur understands how to improve their win rate, which is probably about 30% of the difference. And then 70% of the difference actually comes down to risk management. They understand risk management, and everyone should technically understand risk management because it's both simple and universal for most people. There's going to be some slight differences, such as some person might have a higher risk tolerance than others, but a few, about 10% of the population manages to hit this level, and it feels terrible. I was stuck at this for years. Then you have a few who become the pro traders. The pro trader is the person who's able to, over a sustained period of time, continue to exponentially grow their account. There's different variations of performance here, obviously, very competitive space. The difference between the amateur trader and the pro trader is all about the system. For me, what took me here is having a rating system, understanding that not all trades have the same probabilities, and learning to specifically think in bets. You can think in bets, then you understand that there's different probabilities. And so for like an A, I would put the highest amount of money in this because it has my highest probability to win. And then for my C would be the lowest. And understanding that different trades have different probabilities and which ones had the higher probabilities will lead to the exponential growth and keep you out of the chop zone that sucks. This is where most people are, and this is where 5% are able to achieve. If you want to know what my system is, check out my free course on YouTube.